Computer on Office Automation, MS Excel test. Roman letter 1, fill in the blanks. Extension of Excel Workbook 2007 is dash. Chart and graph feature are in dash. A worksheet has dash rows and dash columns. 4. Last cell of a worksheet is dash. 5. Dash function in MS Excel is used to search one column of data and find in the corresponding row. 6. All formula in Excel will start with dash symbol. 7. Excel's feature is used to summarize workbook into one worksheet. 8. In Excel, dash create automatically the sum. 9. To exist from Excel, dash is used. 10. Maximum character in formula dash. Match the Roman letter 2, match the following. Sum, cell reference, control plus colon, row and column, cell, spreadsheet. R3 C5 Excel, Excel cancel a cell entry, formula range, escape absolute value, colon control plus space bar, ABS current data, column selection, a formula in Excel. Roman letter 3, choose the best answer. 1. This key is used to select entire row. Control plus space bar, shift plus space bar, enter, control plus R. 2. In a worksheet, maximum of dash sheet can be held. 128, 225, 256, 127. 3. A shortcut key to start a new line in the same cell as enter, alt plus enter, control plus enter, shift plus enter. 4. Signature line is added from dash menu. Insert, data, formula, page layout. 5. In Excel, to paste a defined name into formula, dash key is pressed. F2, F4, F7, F3. Name box is placed in dash. Title bar, format bar, formula bar, standard toolbar. 7. Workbook concept is used in dash. MS Excel, MS Word, MS Outlook, MS Access. 8. Dash command round a number to the nearest integer. ABS, FACT, EXP, INT. 9. Find command is available in dash menu. File, tools, home, editing, help. 10. This key is used to do the spell check. F3, F7, control plus S, F1. Roman letter 4. True or false? A file is a collection of cells. 2. MS Excel is used to prepare spreadsheet. 3. A table can be represented graphically using charts. 4. A1 colon A30 represent a range of cell in a row. 5. AND operator is used to join text. 6. Average finds the average of some continuous cell value. 7. Workbook is a file in Excel. 8. Slash symbol is used to get percentage. 9. Graph can be formed in MS Excel. 10. In computers, SMBS convert AC to DC. Roman letter 5. Answer the following. Write the steps to start the MS Excel program or a worksheet. 2. How to do change column width in Excel to fit the content. 3. Define workbook and worksheet. 4. Write any two disadvantages of MS Office. 5. How cell are referred in the MS Excel? Give an example. 6. What are the main menus of a spreadsheet in Excel? 7. List the different type of charts available in Excel. 8. What is a pivot table? 9. How can you create charts using MS Excel? 9. 10. How will you define or label a range of a column and row? 11. What is an active cell? 12. What are the application of Excel? 13. How will you merge two cells in MS Excel? 14. How will you set the size of the orientation of spreadsheet? 15. How is formula enter? Roman letter 6. Answer in detail. 1. What are the different types of formula? 2. Explain about table formatting in MS Excel. 3. How will you use autofill in MS Excel? Name the different types of charts in MS Excel. 4. What is the autofill in MS Excel? Explain any three inserting function in MS Excel. Explain about sorting filter in MS Excel. 6. Name the different types of charts in MS Excel with necessary diagram. Students, write the answers of these questions, then send the answers to me by taking mobile photo of your answers. Thank you very much.